Hi, I would like to show you how easy it is to use Emprog ThunderBench with EnergyMicro Giant Gecko Kit STK3700. Let me start by giving you a quick tour of the board itself. Here we have the JTAG debug port using the onboard Seger J-Link, a battery, a switch to select the power source from either battery, USB, or the JTAG port itself, 2 user LEDs, 1 user USB port, an EnergyMicro ARM Cortex-M3 with 1 MB of flash, 2 user push buttons, the reset button, 1 light sensor that Emprog provides a sample application for, an LC sensor which also acts as a metal detector, a capacitive touchpad that will be featured in this demo video, and finally, the LCD display that we will also use in this application. With the board connected, I start Emprog ThunderBench. Once inside the control center, I click on Import BSPs. Choose EnergyMicro. Then select the kit STK3700. For this demo, we will choose the LCD TouchSense application, which demonstrates the capacitive touch capability on the board. As the application code is being created into the workspace, ThunderBench will prompt us which JTAG probe to use. We will choose Seger J-Link. ThunderBench will then create and build the project automatically. It is important to note that these BSPs are copied to your workspace. In this manner, you can modify the example without impacting the original code. There are 2 ways to launch the debugger and download the sample application. One way is that you can double-click on the J-Link debugger launch shortcut within the project directory. Or the other way is simply click on the debug button on the toolbar. At first run, ThunderBench will automatically launch the proper J-Link GDB server. Here, you have a chance to set or change the target device for the J-Link GDB server if needed. This is something you only need to do once with the very first debug session. I click OK. The server will connect to your target board, making it ready for debugging. I can now click on Debug. The debugger will start and download the sample application into the Gecko STK3700 Kit. It will break at the first preset breakpoint, which is the reset vector. Hit run again. The code will break at the second preset breakpoint, which is the user main. Now, let's execute and run the application on the target. I switch to the board and show you the application running. By moving my index finger on the touchpad, you will notice the message scrolling left and right on the LCD display. Also notice the dial at the upper left corner. And the counters show the position of my finger on the touchpad. Now that ThunderBench is fully connected and functional with the kit, I can start building my project. When done, I can click on Terminate and exit. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.